So many people think master is gone, now we have to follow another master, to look for a successor. The master who initiates us is our master. Always. Not only after he passes away, after we pass away, he's still the same master. After we go into an astral self, he's still the master. We go into higher levels, causal plane, in 1,000,000 years, he's still the same master. Master does not change. That very form of the master, the very physical form of the master that initiated us, continues to be our master. And we don't have to change masters for that reason at all. You can get guidance from successors, other masters. You can ask questions from other masters. But that does not mean you have to change a master. First master stays with you all the time. Perfect living master is now traditionally being known to the people by a previous perfect living master, naming that he will be my master. It's not a requirement. But traditionally, it's just a guidance given to people. Okay, how are you sure he's a perfect living master? So and so appointed him. It does not mean that appointment by a perfect living master makes another person always perfect. Masters know that all are not perfect. Masters can appoint people who are not perfect living masters and declare they are perfect living masters, knowing that the desire of people in that area is no longer for the spiritual seeking which there was in their time. The tradition goes on. And if a master is not perfect and he is appointed by somebody, we think he's perfect, but he doesn't have that pull, he doesn't have that power, he doesn't do anything, he doesn't do what the previous master does, we can always know this is not our master. Then remember, since a perfect living master is an ordinary human being chosen for his seekers, he's not chosen for humanity. A perfect living master does not come to save everybody. He comes to save list of souls which he carries. This is my list of marked souls. I have to take them back home. And that's exactly what his role is. Others benefit by happening to be there, and they get marked for future perfect living masters. Great master said, I am going to quote him on this subject. He said, most of the masters who came never appointed any successor. If they did, it was the sake of the people who were around them. The successors were not perfect living masters. Those who did appoint, mostly one or two successors were perfect, rest were not. But masters were appointed throughout by those imperfect ones, kept on appointing more. So far as perfect living master is concerned, a perfect living master, when he dies, his physical body dies. He doesn't die. He remains active in his disembodied astral body. He remains active in his other bodies. And he will remain active at these levels till all the souls who have been initiated by him have gone home. He will not leave any one of them. Many souls go one stage up and stay there for a long time. There are some souls of perfect living masters sitting there for a few thousand years. They like it so much. They say, Master, this is such a great place. Can I have a little vacation here? Go ahead. Masters are very good at giving a long rope to us. Okay, go ahead, enjoy, but he's not leaving us. A perfect living master, once you manifest his inner form, his radiant form, never leaves you, no matter how much time you spend in going up. So his death is only in the physical form, but his initiation is not at the physical form. Initiation is at the astral radiant form. When a perfect living master initiates us, he is not doing anything here. He is doing something in his radiant inner form and our astral inner form. That's where he connects us. That's where he becomes a permanent friend of ours. That's where he remains a companion of ours forever. In the physical world, His body dies, our body dies. All the bodies die, but that remains permanent. Till that body can also die. Even then, the Master will be there with you in every possible form, right till you go back home. So the difference between perfect living Master's companionship inside and all other companionships is the others end, but this one never ends. His form does not disappear. The perfect living Master is operating while in the physical body here at all levels. He's not only taking care of souls who are here, he's taking care of souls at different levels who are already there. So he's a multitasking Master. He is doing his tasks in several levels at the same time. And he has different form, because every time you change your form. These external forms, physical body and so on, is like a costume we are wearing. When you go to next level, we drop this costume, have a different costume on. As we go more and more within, we drop all the costumes off. A perfect living Master, unlike other masters, is operating at all levels, at all times, even when see him here.